I got him. That's a big flock right there. Yaw. Big old flock, man. Yeah. Damn it, they're just too far away. Oh well.
Here, take a video of me, they're still coming. Take a video of me,
Of you what?
playing all the songs I know.
Alright.
Okay, so, starting out with, Turn on the bells, yay! That goes on forever, as you already know.
It does. But that's okay.
And then, Scarborough Fair, yeah.
Okay.
For Elise, I think that's how you say it, right?
Which one?
For Elise, that's how you say it, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Did the smoke?
You found the bug?
Wait. I got back in.
He's hiding from you in the keyboard, huh?
Yeah.